Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover a forgotten password with Amazon step by step clearly. To recover a forgotten password on Amazon, start by opening your preferred web browser. Type amazon.com in the address bar and press enter. Once the Amazon homepage loads, locate and click on the sign in button at the top right corner. In the sign in screen, click on the Forgot Your Password link. You will be directed to a new page where you need to enter your Amazon email address or phone number linked to your account. After entering your information, click on the Continue button. Amazon will send you an email or a text message with a password reset link, depending on the option you chose. Check your email inbox or SMS for a message from Amazon. If you don't see the email, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email or message, open it and click on the provided link. This link will take you to a page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password in the designated fields, making sure it meets Amazon's security requirements. Once you have entered your new password, click on the Continue button. You will receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully reset. Now, you can return to the Amazon sign-in page. Enter your email address and new password to access your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.